Hi there, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment. So, Sithelo Shozi is back in the public eye after she deactivated her Instagram account a couple of weeks ago, you guys. And last week, she made her first radio interview with the Durban based radio station called Gagazi FM. She said quite a lot, you guys. So let me not waste your time and insert that interview here.
Acting, but I will be on your screen so much that you're like, oh my god, change this channel.
Oh man!
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be a good year.
Okay. We've got no Sipho ku line 2. No Sipho ayikhulumela nje lapha. No Sipho grand. Siyaphila. Nangu Sithelo sayazofuna ukukhuluma nathi.
Hello, my baby. How are you? Jabula mina sana sana. Una stress? Angitholakali oh, unamanga. Refresh. No, I will be back on Instagram soon. I will. Ngiyezwa ngiyakhala, ngiyashota. Amasosha abeki ikhali phansi. No, I'll block you. No, I will be back. All right, my baby.
Shout out to that. That's no Sipho. Ku line 4, we do have Mnotho. Hola Mnotho.
Moja sayije nangu Sithelo.
Yes, I'm not so happy. Good. Jaya, I'm fixing your Thank you.
Shout out to Mnotho. Othi sivale ngala ngoNhlanhla ku line 6. Hola Nhlanhla. Ukren wena kunjani? Nangu Sithelo.
Yebo. Oh my god. Oh, what is gonna happen here? Okay. Let's see if I know. Oh my god. Call me on my phone. Call me. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, can't go.
Oh, you can.
Thank you.
Santa, you're making Sithelo cry right now.
Thank you so much.
I wish you could be about Nhlanhla.
That's really special. Thank you. Okay.
A lot of people are coming with a lot of questions, and there's the part of your life you don't want to focus on. Because you feel really like you know, but
Yeah.
people bashing you, people saying good things, people saying whatever because they're entitled.
Yeah.
What's your biggest lesson learned out of
This is the nature of the business at the end of the day. I'm not expecting it to end. I'm expecting it to continue. I am a force, and the minute people stop talking, I'm no longer that force. I am very newsworthy, I'm very controversial, and so it's not going to stop. Nor does my show stop. So it is what it is. I chose to be here. This is what comes with the business. And man, it's whatever. It's whatever. The minute I step inside my house, I leave that out of there. The minute I go to work, then maybe I can deal with it. And I pick and choose what I need to answer to. People will always have that sense of entitlement, and you do owe some sense of entitlement to people that actually support you, you know. But man, gimdala. Gimdala.
So, the issue is Instagram is it Ngamabomi or maybe Kona Intense? What happened?
Yeah, okay. So you'll notice that I deactivated my Instagram beginning of the year.
Okay.
Right now I'm going through a very, very special time in my life, and I'm more awakened spiritually. It's got nothing to do with like anything. Abantu may think like, oh no, she's off Instagram, she's pregnant. She's off Instagram, things are not going. We are twice a man. Yeah, but there's so many speculations, and I find it just like odd. But then abantu people, they're curious. They don't know what's happening. But I'm going through a very special period and a very sacred period that I don't want to share with the rest of the world, nor go through it while I'm focusing on other things, because social media is quite
toxic.
It is.
I didn't want to go there. But since we're here,
yeah.
How does that help you shape a person and a character you're on a manje, the journey you're going through?
Yeah, like I wake up, I pray. In the morning, I wake up, I pray. After that, Jim has helped me like ease my thoughts. Like I even do Pilates. I'm that girl right now.
Stop it.
But
Stop
like,
it.
but like it's given me more time to focus on myself. And my relationship with God, my relationship with my friends, my relationship with my kids, and it's really made me go back to what's really important. You get so lost in the world that you think like everything is important. I'm getting old. I mean, there's so many goals that I set for myself, and I end up like forgetting some of the things that I'm actually working to achieve, you know? So I told myself, let me just restart Yonki in the beginning of the year. There are things that are forcing me to go back on social media. I mean, my work, yeah, but Nakon, I'm going to do it in a way where I'm more understanding and more aware of why am I here? What does this bring to me? What does this benefit? In that, I won't end up with because I know this is where I'm making my money. So you comment, does it take away R2 from my account? It doesn't, you know? So right now I'm just like in a really special place, and I'm the happiest I've been.
And beautiful.
Yeah, on the lecture.
Yes, no. Oh my God.
We with the body like this, we lay, because I don't want when no, I'm from Miguel. Let them celebrate Dala, Mohodo, there must be something that you really, really enjoy. What is that?
Like what I eat, like a lot.
Like,
or like what's my guilty pleasure?
Yeah, so, yeah.
Oh, squat down.
No, for
real. Like that's what I like. That's what I like. But I can only have it on my cheat days. Because now I'm on like a special diet. I want to like really bulk up and be lean, and you know I'm working towards like so many goals in the gym. But like on my cheat days, that's what I would enjoy.
Hey, we could talk forever, and it's not enough. Even our producer, Utas Valley. But Sithelo, when it's all said and gone, you got my car, my peli move. What's on what I'm
as myself, somebody that was fearless, somebody that defeated the odds, somebody that lived their life out loudly. Life is so short, guys. Life is so short, and we're seeing that each and every day. People close to us are losing their lives in crazy ways. And private defender, you know, it's about how you impacted people, how you made the next person feel. Like, I make you feel good, Fly.
I know you know this. Yeah,
and hard.
That's what.
Very, very hard as well.
I hate you guys. But it's about that, and that's the most important thing. Like, how did you make people feel? What impact did you have in other people's lives? And I want to be remembered as somebody that was fearless and lived their life out boldly.
So let's stand up into, since you don't have any social hangs But you can tell us for bookings and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
but I will be back like May. I mean, sorry, March. Everything is going to roll out. I can't speak about the show that I'm going to be on, but it's something that's really, really exciting. It's going to be big, and I'm so grateful that I was even picked to be on that show. God is good. God is
Can I
so
just
good.
guess?
Real Housewives of
Real Housewives of
No.
Like,
A big show. A big show.
Let's not go there.
no.
Let's not go there.
A big show.
A big